Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be looking at a problem named as the kth element of two sorted array. Okay, so let's have a look at the problem statement. So here we can see that we are given with two arrays, array 1 and array 2 of size n and n, and we are given with an element k. Okay, our task is to find the element that would be present at kth position. Okay, so as we can see in the test case that we are given with two array here, array 1 and array 2, and we are asked to find the position of the element at kth position. Okay, in the final sorted array. By the mean final sorted array, I mean to say the array which we will create after merging both the arrays. Okay, and it should be in sorted order. Okay, it should be sorted in increasing order. Okay, we can see that here below we are given with the sorted array as well. Okay, and the output we got here is 6. Okay, so it will be more clear to you when will I write the code. Okay, so let's write the code for it. Okay, let's increase the size a little bit. So I hope it will be more clear to you now. Okay, let's write the code for it. So basically I am asked to create a function here to find the kth element. Okay, so first of all I will use a two pointer approach here. Okay, so okay, I will use a two pointer approach here, and I will use two pointer I and j. Okay, I will point at the first element of the array 1, and j will point to the first element of the array 2. Okay, and how will I merge it? I will compare the first element. Okay, I will compare the element on which the I is pointing. Okay, to the element on which j is pointing. Okay, and I will compare it with each other. Okay, the element that will be shorter will be pushed to the newly created array. Okay, where we will store the final sorted array. Okay, so let's write the code for it. Let's start writing now. Let's get started. So let's increase the size a little bit. So first of all, I will initialize two pointers, I and j. In computer indexing starts from 0 onwards. Okay, so I assign the value of 0 to them. After this, okay, I will use a loop. No, no. First of all, we need to create an array to store the final sorted array. Okay, so let me create a final array, an array for the final sorted elements whose size will be equal to will be the sum of n and n. Okay, the size of the array 1 and the size of the array 2. Here I also need a pointer to access the elements of C array. Okay, I will use a loop to iterate over all the elements of array 1 and array 2. Okay, so as we can see that I is the pointer of the first array, so it will iterate till n size, and another one means j pointer will iterate through till n size. Okay, so let's write the condition for it. If the element of the first array, okay, is less than the element of the second array, okay, the element of the first array will be pushed to the newly created array. Okay, and also we need to increment the pointer. okay, to 1. So I will increment it to, okay. If the above condition does not satisfy, we will enter in the else loop, okay. Here the same thing will happen, okay. And we will push the array to elements, okay, in the newly created array, okay. After this, suppose we traded through all the elements of one array and we are left with some of the elements of the another array, okay, means we are done with one array now. So what will happen of the another element of the another array, okay. So in this case, okay, suppose if I am left with some of the elements of the first array, the elements of the first array will be stored automatically to the newly created array, okay. And same case with the second one too. Then we have to repeat with the second one, okay. Just we need to change the pointer. After all this done, we will return the element of the kth position, okay, from the C array, okay. So at last we will return C k minus 1, okay. I subtracted it with 1 because we know that indexing starts from 0 onwards, okay. So but the user does not know about it, okay. He has to do nothing with it. So but we programmer know about it. So what that's why I subtracted 1 from it, okay. So let's run the code, okay. You can see it. We are done with the code now. Now let's see its compilation part, okay. Let's compile it. Let me decrease the size so that we can see the compilation along with the code, okay. If we find any error in it, we will solve it along with the compilation, okay. So let's solve it, okay. Let's run the code. Let's see what will be your result. Here it is taking a little bit time. Okay, I think that my internet is not connected properly. Let me connect it again. Okay, so let's run it again. So now you can see that we are provided with the correct output, what we expected before, okay. So let's submit the solution. Let's submit it. So you can see that we have successfully submitted the solution. So that is it. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.